almost like they make way for the next one if there's one more in there. This is 4. Could be a whole slew of them, I don't know. But also amazing, how did the Anvil Weevil lay the eggs in there? I don't know. Maybe it made a hole and got in there to start with. So. See if it can come out yet. It's amazing. They're white looking. The one's up. The other one's white. The other 3. Here it comes. Here it comes. You'll have to really watch, because when it gets about halfway out, it'll just jump on that leaf. Just pop. Just like that. Must be bigger than the other ones, because it kept chewing at that hole. The other ones just come right out of that other hole. Smaller one. Look here, children. I never got to film nothing like this happening before. So I had to put my hand in front of it or something. Mess up. If I could film something, do it perfect, and not fade out, or put my hand in front of it, or an object or something, it would be amazing. Or something would go faster. This is already 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Okay, I'm going to put my hand so you can see the side of it. I'm going to move the acorn, okay? But still, it's a small hole. Isn't that amazing? Little worm that makes an Anvil Weevil. And when it gets out and starts crawling around, I'm going to take it outside to be with its other 3 siblings. And I don't know how many more's in there. I ought to put this on National Geographic or something. Yeah, I was just taking pictures. And I've got a picture or 2 where a worm was halfway out of this acorn. I thought, oh wow, and it was 3, and I didn't get the video on in time. And all of a sudden I thought, I wonder if there's more. So I sat here and waited. And then turned the video on. This is nature walks. I take walks and look at nature and take pictures and stuff for fun. And I make postcards and stuff. Sell them sometimes. It's kind of amateur, but it's starting to pick up a lot. This is just on my tablet. If I had a really nice video camera or camera, but I don't. Here it comes. Look at her. It is bigger than the other ones. Look at that. See? Isn't that amazing, children? Look at that. There he goes. And he already has some leaves to crawl around on. Got this acorn and these leaves at a local creek. Took my pup down there to walk around. And I thought, I'm going to take some pictures, still life-like pictures of this acorn. And there was the hole. See the hole there? Now, it might close back up. If it does, that means that they're getting ready for another one to come out. Somehow they close the hole back up. There it goes. Okay, I'm going to take it outside now.